Welcome to another part of our course, and in this part, we're going to just create. I think we're going to just combine it, right? So we'll just create all the search here, these two screens, this one and then this one, right? And then at some point we can create the category, maybe not in this particular video compilation. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. I'll come over here and click on the create new page. Let's call it search, right? And I'm just gonna delete these, right? And here we have this, and I think it's safe to just go ahead and where is it? Maybe we can just copy from here. Yeah, so let's just copy from there. Let's go to search. I copied it and paste there. Click here and delete these. Click this, and I can just change the alignment to this one, and I can give some padding to these. Let's say 50, and we can change it to search. So here we have search, and then there's a text box here, and search, just like we have in the home. So we can come to home and we can just copy what we had done here. So I told you guys already, we're going to be doing a whole lot of reusing the components. So here I'm just going to reuse as many things as possible. So I'm going to click on the column here, give it a padding of 20 on the left, 20 on the right. Because of that, I need to remove this one, and I need to give some more padding to this. So 150, preferably 20. Okay, so now we have search. So it says here search destination, so that's okay. Last search, I don't really want to type a whole lot of things, so I'm just gonna come back here and just copy this, come here to search and click here and paste it. It says your last search, right? Last search. So there's a clock and Kuta beach and icon for close. So I'm gonna just say a row, and in the row I'm gonna say an icon, like add an icon, and let's say time. So let's see. Okay, this is it. We can use this, and we can use this. Let's see, maybe this one. Okay, let's go to secondary, and then let's use 50% transparency. Okay, and I think that works. And Kuta beach and then close icon. So let's come here, copy these, paste this here. Let me just right click on this and just wrap it in a row, then click this and cut it out. I know you know why I'm doing what I just did. So let's give it a padding here 12, and then let's say the Kuta beach, but I think it's just a normal medium, and then maybe this is like 14. Yeah, so like that. And then here I can click copy this icon and just paste it here, and then use this particular way of padding. Click this, click to change the kind of icon and say close. We now have this. So if you observe, okay, it's a deeper color. So let's just go with our secondary text, and there you go. So we have these okay, so we have, excuse me, we have let me duplicate this. This is supposed to be Bali Resort. Click these and give it some padding, maybe 30. And then here I think we also need that padding. Yeah, Bali Resort Bromo. Okay, then I think it's too much. 20 should work. And then here is Bromo. Okay, so there you go, we have that. And then we have favorite. So we can click here and copy this and paste and say favorite place. Okay, place, and let's come back to home, favorite place, and explore. Let's copy this and come here to search and just paste this, click on these and do it like this. Okay, now we have that, so we need to do this one here. Let's go back again to home and just copy it, but go to the widget tree, click here so you can identify where the main container that allows the carousel to work is. So I just copied it, come to the search, click on the column and paste it. Okay, so we now have these here and it's just perfect, just very perfect. So that's why I told you we won't waste time trying to create this one, because we already have components that we can easily reuse. Okay, so now this is it. The next thing we need to do is this one. Okay, so let's just go ahead and quickly, I think we already have something like this. I can't remember where we created this. Okay, yeah, we have it here. So we can just quickly like reuse it here. We can reuse it here. So let's come here and just duplicate this search. Let's call it search specific. Okay, search specific, and then here we can just delete these ones out. Yeah, we don't really need these ones. Okay, so here we just need to have here we have we found 4 trip in Bali, so we can write we found 4 trip in Bali. Okay, and then I think that Bali is in quote, so yeah, so we can say quote. Alright, so then we can now come over here and then put in the different things. Okay, so let's come here and come here simply, and I'm just going to, I think we already have it in a list view, so let's just copy that once from the list view and go to search specific and just paste it. Yeah, so here I'm just gonna come over here and change this primary to secondary. Alright, that way we know what we are doing. Okay, so there you go. We can have as many things as possible here, but we can leave these until we have a backend. Alright guys, so that's how far we can go with regards to the search screens. The next one will be to work on the category. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we will get to see in the next part of the course. See you soon.